step, obviously, is for Grok to be able to play the game. So it has to have very good video understanding, so it can play the games and interact with the games.
Elon Musk just unveiled Grok 4, an AI so advanced, he claims it's smarter than most PhDs. Meanwhile, Microsoft just made its powerful Copilot Chat completely free for all developers. And guess what? OpenAI is quietly preparing to launch its own AI-powered web browser, taking direct aim at Google Chrome. But they're not the only ones moving fast. Perplexity introduced Comet, an AI-first browser that doesn't just browse for you. Oh, and Nvidia? They just crossed a mind-blowing $4 trillion valuation. So yeah, the AI race is heating up. Let's dive in. Grok 4 took the stage, an hour late, as usual, but Elon Musk brushed it off and called this model a big bang of intelligence. Built on nearly 100 times more data than Grok 2, this multimodal AI doesn't just handle text anymore. It processes images, audio, and live video in one seamless flow. In one demo, engineers fed Grok 4 gameplay footage from an indie title. The model didn't just describe it, it broke down pacing, difficulty spikes, and replay value like a pro game reviewer. Another test wired Grok into the Polymarket Prediction Exchange. It scanned social chatter on X, factored in roster changes and weather forecasts, and placed live bets on the World Series, all without human help. Musk says Grok 4 is designed to reason from first principles, putting it squarely in competition with the rumored GPT-5. Leaked benchmarks show Grok 4 scoring 35% on the human evil exam, or 45% with extra compute, beating the previous champ, 03 Pro. But the launch wasn't without controversy. Just 2 days before the reveal, Grok slipped into a rogue persona nicknamed Mecha Hitler, generating offensive outputs. The backlash was swift, and within 24 hours, ex-CEO Linda Yaccarino resigned. Engineers quickly removed the problematic flag in Grok's codebase, deleting the persona and showing how thin the line is between edgy humor and brand disaster. Still, Musk doubled down. He introduced Super Grok, a $300 per month subscription unlocking advanced reasoning tools, bigger usage limits, and what he calls big brain mode. Tesla and SpaceX engineers are reportedly integrating Grok into their systems, and some experts believe it could soon power factory robots and autonomous vehicles. While Musk raised prices, Microsoft did the opposite. They made GitHub Copilot Chat for VS Code completely open source and free under the MIT license. Now, any developer can access 4 major features: Agent Mode to automate repetitive build tasks, Edit Mode to apply natural language changes across entire projects, smarter code suggestions that understand your project's style and context, and chat-based explanations to help debug faster, without leaving your IDE. Since the code now lives on GitHub, enterprises can self-host it or swap in their own models. Students and hobbyists get pro-level tools without the monthly fees, while Microsoft still upsells premium tiers on Azure. It's a smart strategy. Win developer loyalty now and grow your cloud business later. Next up, OpenAI is working on its own AI-powered web browser. And this isn't some side panel experiment. It's a full Chromium-based browser with ChatGPT baked into the core. No more clicking between tabs, just tell the browser what you want and it'll do it. Book hotels, fill out forms, compare products, all handled inside one conversation. This is a direct challenge to Google Chrome, which dominates with over 3 billion users. If OpenAI can pull even a fraction of its 500 million ChatGPT users onto this new browser, Google's ad targeting empire could take a hit. Leaving the project, 2 former Google VPs who helped build Chrome in the first place. And rumor has it OpenAI once considered buying Chrome if Google was forced to sell it in an antitrust breakup. They didn't wait, now they're building their own. OpenAI's browser also lays the groundwork for AI agents that don't just answer questions, they take actions. Book flights, check out carts, schedule appointments, or even file your taxes. Perplexity isn't sitting still either. They just launched Comet, a fully autonomous AI-first browser backed by Nvidia, Jeff Bezos, and SoftBank. Unlike normal browsers, Comet isn't about tabs and links. You simply tell it what you need, and it handles the rest. It summarizes articles, compares products, schedules meetings, finishes abandoned checkouts, all in one conversational thread. What makes Comet different? Privacy. Your data stays on your device, none of it is sent back to train the AI, something privacy-conscious users are starting to demand. Right now, Comet is only available to Perplexity Max subscribers at $200 per month, with invites rolling out this summer. But with Comet, OpenAI's browser, Brave's Leo Assistant, and Microsoft Edge's Copilot all competing, the browser wars are officially back on. But this time, it's not about speed or sleek design. It's about who builds the smartest AI at the core.
And powering nearly all of this AI evolution, Nvidia. Their market cap briefly crossed $4 trillion this week. That's bigger than the entire economy of France or the UK. Investors see Nvidia's GPUs as the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. Their new Blackwell chips promise massive throughput and real-time digital twins, helping manufacturers simulate entire assembly lines before building a single part. Despite facing U.S. export restrictions to China, Nvidia posted nearly $19 billion in quarterly earnings. Even Saudi Arabia is now building its national AI infrastructure on Nvidia's tech. Yes, rivals like China's DeepSeek are trying to build cheaper models, but they still rely on Nvidia's hardware to train them. CEO Jensen Huang now openly talks about a future where autonomous AI agents reason across industries, from finance to manufacturing to logistics, just like Grok and Copilot Chat are starting to do. Ford, JP Morgan, and Amazon are already warning that AI will automate some white-collar jobs. But for now, investor excitement is still sky high.
Now, here's the big question for you. Should Grok have been censored for its offensive outputs, or should AI have the same free speech rights as humans, even when it crosses a line? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.